You've got loads of bubble wrap to squish as well. Wow, right. There's Boulder. And there's Blades. Right, which one do you want to open first?
Boulder. Boulder first.
Boulder first. Right, okay, let's see what we have to do. Let's peel him off. No? Let's do Blades. Blades again. There's Blades out. Right, so we transform Boulder. I think we just have to push his arms in. And that is turned into a bulldozer. And there he's back into robot mode. And Blades, how does this he's in robot mode there? Can I just show the camera how it transforms and I'll give you it? You twist him and then he's in helicopter mode. Watch, you twist his little arm, twist his little thing on the top and he goes into helicopter mode and twist it again and he goes into robot mode. They're good toys, them, aren't they?
Where's that from? Lego